Once there was a water bearer who carried water from the river to his master's house. He used two large pots, each hung on the ends of a pole, which he carried across his neck. One of the pots had a crack on it, while the other was perfect and always delivered a full portion of water. One day, the cracked pot felt ashamed, knowing it only delivered half the water each time. One day, it said to the water bearer, "I'm sorry for my flock. I waste so much of your effort." The water bearer smiled and said, "Did you notice the flowers along the side of your path? I planted seeds there. As we worked every day, you watered them. Because of your crack, now beautiful flower blooms along the path of your side and bringing joy to many." এই ছোট্ট স্টোরিটার সামারি হলো, আপনি যে অবস্থানেই আছেন, যেভাবেই আছেন, আপসেট হওয়ার কোনো কারণ নাই, সেখান থেকেও ভালো কিছু করা সম্ভব।